Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make your pancakes incredibly fluffy. Achieving that perfect light and airy texture starts with understanding a few key principles. We'll cover everything from ingredient preparation to the ideal cooking method. Get ready to transform your breakfast experience with these simple yet effective tips. You'll be flipping perfectly puffed pancakes in no time, impressing everyone at the table. Let's dive into the delicious details. The way you combine your ingredients significantly impacts fluffiness. First, ensure your dry ingredients like flour and baking powder are well sifted. This aerates them and prevents dense spots. Next, whisk your wet ingredients such as milk and eggs in a separate bowl. Finally, gently fold the wet into the dry mixture. Remember, a slightly lumpy batter is actually ideal. Overmixing develops gluten, leading to tough pancakes. Aim for just combined. Cooking your pancakes correctly is the final step to achieving that desired fluffiness. Preheat your griddle or pan to a medium-low heat, too hot, and they'll burn before cooking through. Lightly grease it, then pour about 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake. Watch for bubbles forming on the surface and the edges starting to look set. This indicates it's time to flip. Cook for another 1 to 2 minutes until golden brown. Now for the best part, enjoying your perfectly fluffy pancakes. Serve them warm with butter, maple syrup, fresh berries, or any topping you love. Don't be afraid to experiment with different flours, like whole wheat or oat flour, to discover new flavor profiles and textures. For more great tips and delicious recipes, check the description below for links to other deals and the new Kindle Paperwhite. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.